Hello everyone and welcome to this interesting video. You have created many kind of dashboards in Excel, in Power BI, in Alteryx and many places. Now in this video you'll understand how to create this kind of dashboard in Claude. Okay, without any coding knowledge, or you just feed the data, give a single prompt and you get the output here. Clean, simple, easy. Claude is best as compared to now GPT, which is moving right now. And I want you to see this video in just few minutes how to create a dashboard. The very first thing what we can do here is, I have this Claude AI option. I can use a free version of Claude to get the output here. First thing, I will be uploading a data. I have a data set kept into one of the folder. I can just click on this plus sign, add files or photos, and I have a data kept into one of the folder which I can pick up, Superstore Data. Now this data is very simple. It's about the customer information, sales and profit information, but a prompt has to be given better. But I don't know how to write a prompt. So please see this technique. I will ask Claude to write a prompt for me. I will copy that prompt and again give it to this Claude to create a dashboard. So please see, I can just press Windows H from my keyboard. Observe the data given in the Excel file, understand about this place, and I want you to write a prompt. You have to behave like a best expert into prompt writing. You have to behave like you are in the top 0.001% expert in the world who knows how to write a prompt, also who knows how to create a dashboard. So first I want to write a prompt. This data is about sales and profit information, okay, customer information. I want to create a dashboard for my CEO and CFO of the company. Okay, this is for one of the company, let's say Bajaj, and the dashboard has to be simple, easy to understand. It has to have at least 10 plus visuals, 10 plus charts. Okay, it has to be interactive with lot of slicers and filters, and also it should give me insights about the data. So first of all, you write a prompt for me. And once I finish, I can press enter. Now what will happen is, it will understand the data, observe it, and then it will start giving me a prompt. Now this prompt which I get as an output will be an input again to the same Claude, because if I simply give it just create a dashboard, it will not be enough. A prompt has to be much better. It has to be best, in fact. And finally it has given me a prompt. Now what I can do is, this particular prompt, I need to copy this and then I'll just feed the same prompt again back into this Claude. Let's copy this. Control C, copy. I can just paste this. Maybe I can just create a new chat over here, paste this particular prompt, again add the data. Okay, so I'm starting a fresh chat over here, and then once this prompt is pasted here, this is much better prompt than what I could give. So make sure you read that prompt before you give the input here. Now what will happen is, within 3, 4, 5 minutes over here, this will create a beautiful dashboard. So let's wait for finishing this dashboard creation process. And finally, it has created one dashboard. So let me just extend this, and you can see this is a simple dashboard. Not a simple, I think this is very interesting dashboard it has prepared. And in order to see it completely, I can just click on download. And once the link is downloaded, I can just click on this HTML link. Now this HTML link, I can open this and I can send it to anyone who's watching this video. I can share in the link description as well. So this is the HTML report which is prepared, and you can see all the values are given here. Revenue, profit margin, total orders, unique customers. Now why it is so better? Because the prompt which I was given is excellent. Okay, so remember, the more better prompt you give it, the more better output you can get. So now this has created a beautiful dashboard with many visuals over here, and I think these are some slices over here or table. Now let's say if I don't like this one, if I want to change something, I can just give a simple prompt over here and automatically this dashboard will be updated. Let's say the line chart is not good, you just give a prompt and the line chart will automatically change. So that's all about the Claude, how to create a dashboard in Claude in a free version, and I hope you understood. That's all for this video.